Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, showing you a video here. I'm just getting into NIO for a potential scalp up. I just got in on the break above this 5-minute chart above that 1982 for a breakout, ideally above this kind of falling wedge or flaggish pattern. So we want to see price move up and go and break ideally above that 1998 area. So I got my fill at 1985. Currently it's at 1988. So we're watching to see if price can continue up and ideally break that 1998 area. You'll see after that $20 level, here's a daily chart here. There's some room after 20 bucks up to, what is that? 1998 up to $21. So if it can clear $20, it's got some room up to $21. So you'll see it's moving up to that 1998 level, and we'll watch and see if it can break again above that 1998, which is high of day. So I'm going to watch right here and see again. I would like to see that 9 EMA catch up and push price above, and ideally clear $20 because $20 is important. Whole dollar amount that you want to see it clear. So I'm going to watch $20, very, very important level. I want to see if price can go and stay above $20. So you can see it's kind of hitting some resistance right now at that 1999 level. So if it can't break above 20 bucks, I might consider taking my profits and getting out, looking for re-entry. But many times it'll move up and it'll come back and retest as well. So we have another 3 minutes for this candle to form on a 5-minute. So we'll see how it forms after it completes after that 5-minute cycle, and we'll see where price action ends up. So you'll see at the moment price kind of rejected at that 20 bucks. It's coming back down and it's retesting right here. So kind of a more evening star pattern, but it's getting a bounce. So a lot of times price will go up, hit resistance, come back and retest before it breaks out, or if it doesn't hold, then it might end up being a double top and failing. But now it's moving up over 20 bucks, so that's what we like to see. So don't be surprised if retest happens around $20 level. So as price breaks above 20 bucks, again, it may come back down and retest 20 bucks. So that $20 is a very important support level. So if price fails 20 bucks, then I'll get out. But ideally, I want to see price get above and continue and move up. So you'll see I got my entry at 1985. You'll see right now another less than a minute or so left on this candle. So now the momentum's on my side. I'll watch for this 5-minute to complete, and then if it doesn't break the high of that 5-minute candle, I'll take my profits and get out. This is just a kind of a small scalp that I'm looking to get in on. So we'll watch for another, or that I got in on, just like a smaller scalp that I'm looking to make. So I bought 1,000 shares. This is moving up nicely. We'll watch this last 5-minute candle complete, and I may consider getting my profits and getting out. Another 15 seconds or so on this candle, still moving up, 2015. So this is a nice move up here. Like to see this. So after this 5-minute candle completes, we want to see price get above that 2015 level. If not, and it can't break 2015 here, I may consider getting out. We'll watch and see this 1-minute candle. So it's hitting resistance right here at that 2015. We'll see if it can break 2015. Another 30 seconds or so on this candle. Again, want to see it break the high of that 2015, which is the high of this 5-minute candle down right over here. So I want to see it get right above that 2015 level. So my entry was right off the break of that 5-minute breakout right over here. We got another 10 seconds or so left on this candle. Again, want to see price get above 2015. Next candle. There we go. 2017, we have a new high, so I'd like to see that. Ideally, you want to see price get above and continue above that 2017 level and move up. If not, like I said, I may consider taking my profits. I like those new highs forming on a 1 minute, but it's showing a little bit of weakness here. And I'm going to let this 1 minute candle complete. Another 30 seconds left on it. Showing some weakness. We'll see how this candle ends up. Possible star formation if it's a bearish candle that forms. Another 10 seconds or so. Next, if it holds, want to see price get above that 2018 or make a new high at 2019. There we go. It's still hovering around that 2017, 2018 level. Now we want to see again, want to watch it break above 2019. Sometimes it'll consolidate and trade sideways, and then other times it'll pull back. You can see that 9 EMA is creeping up, so we like to see this on a 1 minute. That is a good sign, but we're going to watch this 1 minute candle form in the next 30 seconds. There we go. We have a new high. Like to see that. Next up, we want to see probably that 2050 level, so that's a $0.50 amount. There might be some resistance around there as well, that $0.50 amount. So we'll see if price can move up to that 2050 level. So now at this point, if price starts to fail this 2013, 15 level, then I might get out. Again, I'm not going to let price fall back down to these levels right here. So at this point, I'm letting momentum go on my side. And if it starts to fail that 2014 or 15 level, I'll consider getting out. Looking at 2050-ish or so as resistance. Another 30 seconds or so left of this candle. So it's still holding that 2015 level. Want to see if highs will hold on this 5 minute candle. And if it doesn't break a new 5 minute high, then I will consider getting out. So far, momentum's on my side. We like the separation of the moving average lines. Want to see them catch up and continue to push price up. So we have another minute or so left on this candle. We'll see if it holds at its highs. So again, looking right here, that 2015 level, I'm keeping as my support. If it breaks this, I'm getting out. And that 2050-ish or so area as resistance. So I want to see if price will go up and move up there. So we have that 2025 basically and 2050 level of support and resistance. So another 10 seconds or so left of this candle. And now I want to see if price will break 2025 after this 5 minute candle forms, looking at 2050 as resistance. So new 5 minute candle is forming. We're going to watch and see if price can get above 2025. And I'm going to take my profits and get out. At 2016, you see it's a little bit overextended. It's pulling back right now. So I got in at 1984 and got out at, what was it? 2014 or so. So that was a $300 scalp. So I scalped about 30 cents on that move up. Again, it can hold. It's a bit overextended, so I just kind of took my profits, watch for it to pull back. Might look for re-entry. Again, a little bit overextended here on a 5 minute. So that was just kind of a video, and I'll show you how a breakout on a 5 minute moved up. I had a nice little move. Now it's coming back and retesting. Took my profits because I didn't want to, I don't like to give up lots of, or my profits. I like to keep my, take my profits as they move up, look for pullbacks and re-entries. But that was just a quick move up for a 1,000 share scalp, and scalped, like I said, about $300 on that trade. So just wanted to show you that video. Hopefully it helped you. You can see it's starting to kind of pull back now. So again, I'll watch for re-entries, see if this 9 EMA will catch up. So again, I will catch you all later and see you in our community. Enjoy.